Hey everybody, you know I love super cool plants and I love sharing super cool new plants, especially with our followers online and through our newsletter. I like to give you the opportunity to get the coolest plants first. And I have a cool one to share with you right now, and that is this amazing double-flowered little Hibiscus syriacus sugar tip. So this is a Rose of Sharon, and I was excited to offer these for our pre-order program because they're like the perfect size for fall planting, and they're a really, really cool introduction. These are gorgeous plants. What is so special about them? Well, you have a fully double, variegated, ultra hardy tree form hibiscus. So if you're buying those tropical hibiscus trees every year, you can actually grow winter hardy tree form hibiscus too. And that's Rose of Sharon. Now the one drawback to Rose of Sharon is often they can seed a lot and they end up becoming somewhat weedy, but because this is a fully double form, it will not do that. So this is a really, really great plant for sunny locations. And Rose of Sharon, when they get rolling a couple years in, you're gonna have more color on these plants than just about anything else in the landscape. They just crank flowers all summer long. So now is a great time to plant these plants because you can get them established this fall. Sugar Tip is going to perform best in full sun, and over the years it'll get about 10 feet tall in the landscape. It's very, very low care, no deadheading required. So for pre-order live now, Hibiscus Sugar Tip. This is a Rose of Sharon, and it is a fully variegated form with a really pretty cream outer edge. It's durable, low water, all of the things that make it a very groovy plant. And get your orders in now because these are going to go quick. They are very limited in numbers too, by the way. And thanks for the pre-orders. We love doing this and getting you the coolest plants before anybody else has the chance to get them.